If you are watching this video, you must have already watched the first part of our Essential High Income Skills series. The previous video discussed why you should consider high income skills and how to develop them. We also explored the first two major skills essential for anyone on the journey of making money. Whether it's active or passive income, this video will reveal two additional skills to help you make money online. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the next high income skills. Number 3. Online marketing. Online marketing refers to promoting a business's brand, products, or services to an audience. The point of marketing is to get your message in front of people who are doing things online, such as reading, searching, shopping, and socializing. The goal is to cut through the noise and get the people's attention. To do so, some of the tools and strategies of successful online marketing campaigns use psychological principles as well as email, social networks, banner ads, SEO, Google AdWords, and other platforms. New advertising and marketing channels have emerged thanks to the widespread usage of the internet in both corporate and personal settings. Online marketing has advantages and disadvantages while relying heavily on digital channels to find, connect with, and ultimately close deals with potential clients. Online marketing has certain key differences compared to more conventional forms of advertising like print, billboards, TV, and radio. Marketing products or services was notoriously expensive and hard to track before the advent of digital marketing channels. Consider how national TV ad campaigns are evaluated by conducting focus groups with the target demographic. These strategies typically do not work well in a laboratory setting. Today, anyone running a business online may use online marketing by launching a website and a client acquisition campaign at minimal or no expense. Those in the business of selling goods and services can use optimization testing and the tracking of performance metrics to hone the performance of their marketing initiatives and maximize their return on investment, ROI. How to get started. Evaluating your objectives and ensuring that they are measurable is the first step in beginning your online marketing campaign. After that, you'll need to decide how to build an online presence that aids in reaching that objective and devise a marketing strategy to match. Perhaps you need to launch an online store, create a blog, and plan how to write content that people will want to share on their social media channels if you want to increase your readership and visibility. When prospective clients are weighing your business against the competition, social proof in the form of a customer case study or infographic created in partnership with your company can be very persuasive. You may feel how well your marketing efforts are progressing towards your intended objective with the help of a free rudimentary analytics program like Google Analytics. Starting with only a basic website or landing page with a lead capture form might be a great way to get your brand out there and start getting some traffic. Getting your team on board and staying on top of all that needs to be done might be a hassle when you're ready to launch your online marketing campaign. To stay on top of everything and get some of the necessary information, you might want to use a free content management platform. What is involved in online marketing? 1. Branding. By incorporating a company's logo, design, mission statement, and a consistent overarching theme throughout all of its marketing communications, branding helps establish a lasting positive association between the brand and its target audience. Branding helps businesses stand out from the crowd and win over repeat customers. Building a brand is a multifaceted endeavor requiring systematic preparation and execution. It's best to have your branding plan figured out before you open to prevent scrambling to get your online store in line with customer expectations after the fact. An effective brand embodies core beliefs that its intended customers share. A solid brand can shield an online store from losing customers due to low prices. 2. Scientific advertising. The definition of scientific advertising is advertising that has been meticulously planned after careful consideration of all relevant aspects. Included in this process are the formation of a distinct mental image of the issue at hand, the acknowledgement of potential alternative approaches to resolving the issue at hand, the process of amassing information to choose amongst possible options. Ads that take a scientific, i.e. fact-finding approach to their development and implementation are said to be scientific. Scientific advertising in a nutshell is advertising that has been meticulously prepared. Phases or stages of scientific advertising. Scientific advertising has 4 phases. They are 1. Preliminary investigation. 2. Budgeting and media planning. 3. Execution of the advertising program. And 4. Testing of the results. 3. Direct response marketing. The primary objective of direct response marketing is to elicit an instantaneous response from consumers to generate fresh leads. It could be a click-through on a website, a purchase, or even a social media share. However, this is another essential high-income skill to make money. In contrast to marketing efforts that aim to establish a brand or increase brand awareness over the long term, direct response marketing focuses on getting consumers to take the immediate action. It makes measuring the success of direct response advertising initiatives a lot less complicated. 4. Organic marketing. In contrast to more conventional forms of advertising, organic marketing relies on the gradual accumulation of brand awareness to build a steady stream of interested customers. Blog posts, case studies, guest tweets, and Facebook status updates are part of this category. You can boost brand awareness through search engine optimization, SEO, social media, and other avenues in organic marketing. Through informative or entertaining content, organic marketing's primary objectives are to raise brand recognition and strengthen consumer relationships. Naturally, you as a company will require various lead generation and user conversion strategies. One way to accomplish this is through organic promotion. Another is through paid advertising, which we'll discuss in more detail. Using organic marketing strategies, you can get people to your website, where they may one day become paying clients. Ideally, you want customers to think of your company first when they need to make a purchase. The end goal of organic marketing is to increase website visits. You will use social media, but your search engine optimization, SEO, should be your primary focus for organic promotion. Search engine optimization, SEO, generates more traffic than organic social media. You may evaluate the success of your organic marketing by tracking metrics like the number of visitors brought in by specific pieces of content, the number of leads created by specific campaigns, and the channels that send the most qualified visitors to your site. If you've gotten to this point in the series, you've been learning many new things. Please click and like the subscribe button to show your support for the content. Let's continue. 4. People skills. Having strong people skills implies having the ability to connect with and understand other people, as well as express yourself adequately in social situations. People skills, like interpersonal skills, encompass many qualities that help you get along well with others and significantly impact your team. As working well with others, coworkers, customers, subordinates, and superiors is essential in almost any position, it is crucial to develop and maintain strong interpersonal skills. Lack of soft skills and social know-how might hold you back in your career even if you have the hard skills, which are technical skills you acquired through training. Some critical people skills include 1. Leadership skills. Possessing leadership abilities is beneficial in any job setting. To be a good leader, you need to be good at inspiring your followers and assessing where each of them stands. It helps determine the best way to divide work and look forward to potential snags in a project so that you may be prepared. 2. Teamwork. Collaborating with clients and coworkers on this project is often a requirement, regardless of whether you operate in a team or solo. To move up the corporate ladder then, you need to be able to collaborate well with others. Strong communication, adaptability, open-mindedness, and dependability are all essential teamwork abilities. 3. Conflict resolution. Disputes between employees are common and can hinder productivity and make it challenging to work together on a project. Learning to settle disagreements amicably and efficiently is a talent that will serve you well in any profession. It calls for sympathy and objectivity, regardless of one's feeling about the situation. 4. Negotiation. It refers to getting along with others to attain a common goal, such as in a negotiation. This competency can help you in various situations, including negotiations, strategy sessions, sales, and salary increases. When negotiating, it is important to balance being accommodating to the other party and standing firm on your non-negotiables. 5. Problem solving. The ability to think through a problem strategically, creatively, and in a well-organized manner is an essential workplace talent. Maintaining composure in adversity is crucial for developing a speedy solution. It will make the project operate smoother and lessen the pressure on everyone involved. You must have learned a lot if you've been following up on the series to this point. Which of the high-income skills revealed so far looks most promising in making money online? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.